You see what we're dealing with over here?
Jump, me! I'm jumping in assembly. Jump.
Hey family, welcome to Vlogmas 2022. Let's get it, let's go.
Let's see.
Happy Tuesday, guys. It's the 27th or 28th. We got some raised donuts. Of course, my husband looked like he done tossed them. But these are chocolate. They always give us the little munchkins for free, and I love the glaze. I already have my coffee, unfortunately, but I'm just gonna go ahead and eat it by itself. And yeah, we are finishing the other side of the house, so I have cleared this table. I'm gonna get this back in order, and then I'm working on this is Joshua's little situation. He loved that. He gonna disappear. He already has lost so much weight from just March of this year, and now he's jumping. I'm like, Lord have mercy, child gonna disappear. Okay, so we get ready. I started taking that stuff down. I have taken the Christmas stockings off. As you can see, I have to pick up all his toys. He left out last night and get it. I have to get that upstairs. So that's what I'm doing. Then I have to take the stuff down off the banister. And then, moving right along. Gotta clear the foyer. And then take down Big Mama. And we gotta do the foyer here. So I'm gonna be busy. And then I have to do this room. So, yeah, I'm busy. Okay, guys, we are free of all of the Christmas stuff. I'm gonna let Joshua leave that over there because he spends most of his time in the family room. Believe it or not, this is my birthday stuff that needs to go upstairs, but okay, all done. And all I have to do is get up there and take those two bowls down. And we are va-va-voom. Okay, guys, I just took these out, these candles, my new set. I'm going to put them where I store stuff. And I almost put this out for garbage, and then I thought about it. I am going to put my Christmas bulbs down in here. I really wish I had kept the other box I had of these, because guess what? These probably would have been great to put in there, right? And protect them. Let me see. Look, it's a little, nope, I don't want to smash it. So let me take this off. I'm gonna stick to putting these. Somebody gave Joshua popcorn. There was some other toys he didn't know. Okay, so I had put this over here to put, but I probably would put the extra large bulbs like that in there. Or maybe the extra large bulbs could go in here. I probably only get 3. So what I'm going to do now is start taking these off. Of course, I'm not going to have you guys sit through that. And I have a lot of them, guys. So y'all know where I will be for a while. But my goal is to totally get all this stuff down today, and then I have to go outside and do that as well. Then I have to have my husband to take down the garland around the door. So, yeah, that's what today is looking like, darling. Oh, somebody else gave Joshua a Christmas card. Okay. Oh, no, okay, I remember. I was with him when he got that. Okay, we are going to All right, let's get going. In progress, guys. Look at that. I have stripped so much off. All I have to do is, and I love that this tree spins. So all I have to do is keep turning it around until I get to the really big ones. See, it's just a few up there. I have to grab that star from up there. I could start hearing the echo in the room. Then I'll go over there, vacuum, and all of that jazz. Plugs right here are a lifesaver. You should get you one of those. So we have like our security system and cameras and stuff plugged in there. And look, it has 2 USBs, right? And I love that because I've been charging. We either charge our phones while we're downstairs in the guest room or have it on the kitchen counter. And I don't really like a lot of stuff on the counter, so I'm always moving stuff, right? So now I'm gonna jump off of here and plug you guys in. So I'll be back after I feel like I have enough charge. I'm gonna go get the formal living room together, and then I'll probably come back at that point or whatever else I come up with. Okay, but I'll see y'all soon. Bye. Guys, here's a sneak peek of another one of my Christmas gifts from my brother. I can't wait to show you guys. Hey family, I wanted to share this with you guys. Did anyone get this, or were you able to take advantage of the free tote Victoria's Secret gave out over the holiday if you spent a certain amount? I forgot exactly how much the amount. I don't know if it was 100 or 150 or whatever it was. So sorry, you guys know I've been getting things throughout the month of December, starting December 1st, and still not done. But so it's over. I know I should have brought it to you guys, but I'm just opening it up, and it's going to probably be one of my holiday bags next year. As you can see, it's a tote. It's perfect for traveling too. There's no pockets inside, but you can put an organizer in there, or you could just sit things down in there. It's that quilted, puffy, and it's I don't know, kind of a rainy material, but it's so gorgeous with that. I hope you guys can tell the type of green it is. It's that like hunter or emerald green. Really, really pretty. And it's a very large size. Let me see if you guys can see. But I'm about to fold it back up and put it back in the plastic, because I probably won't use it unless we do go ahead and go on this quick road trip. But even if so, I think I will use one of my other bags that I got. I'm just going to put this up until, probably till Christmas of next year, unless I'm rocking something, because I wear a lot of quilted or puffy vests, so unless something looks cute with it. But all right, just wanted to share that. Were you able to get one, or did you take advantage of another tote they were giving out? That's how she came, and that's how she's gonna get stored. I'm gonna go put her in my purse area. Hey, glad you're still here. If you want to see how I set up our snack area in our bedroom, then stick around. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I know this is probably the last thing I'll share with you today, and then we're gonna move into tomorrow because we're getting too close to my time frame, my cutoff for the day. So downstairs, I pretty much got everything done. I just have to, the tree is so tall, I have to let my husband get to the top of it to disconnect it, and then the bottom and stuff. So anyway, that will go in the box a little bit later this evening. Okay, the stuff you are looking at now is for my grown and sexy area here in the bedroom. So we have been trying to come up with a plan with how we want to decorate our sitting area in our bedroom. Right now, I use it as a filming area and purse storage. But we're wanting to move that portable fireplace and the TV over to the sitting area. So what we were going to do is, of course, have something to eat and drink. So basically, I'm about to set up the snack area, or in our little entertainment area, in the refrigerator. So here is the refrigerator. It's a very nice size, but we upgraded the refrigerator in the truck. I'm talking about the big truck. And that one is like a tall 2-story one so that you can house more food. But this one was brand new, this one right here. So I said, well, we were going to get one for our sitting area anyway. Let's just go ahead and bring that up to the bedroom, because it's been in the garage waiting for us to decide on what couches and stuff we're going to do over there. But every night, each of us always wants something to drink. And so I'm like, let's just go ahead, bring it up here now. And then, you know, it'll already be here. So that's what I'm going to do. Set that up with you guys. The only thing won't be in here right now is the, It is the Joshua's orange juice. We're going to get him some individuals. I'm trying to get that in there properly, y'all. We're going to get him some individuals because he loves simply orange juice. We are putting the sparkling ciders in here. So I am thinking we're going to line what I call the bubbly. And then we're going to remind you we won't be done. We're going to also put in some Baileys and some wine that my hubby like to drink. We'll get some Stella Rosa in here because this is tall and this can go up top. I think it actually goes up there anyway. I need to move it. This is super cold. I hate having it open this long. But let's see, we'll do 6. And then I brought some waters up. I think I'm going to put Joshua's juice here. So let me get that done. And I'll be back. And then up top, we're going to put some snacks on top of the refrigerator.